What if the reason you aren't hitting your financial goals has nothing to do with how hard you're working and everything to do with an invisible cosmic vacuum? Most people think making money or receiving love is about chasing it down. But the universe doesn't reward hustle, it rewards alignment. Today, we are cracking open the code to effortless abundance, the law of compensation. This is the exact law that determines the size of your bank account, the quality of your opportunities, and how much value flows back to you. If you feel like you've been giving 100%, but only getting 10% back, you're accidentally blocking the cosmic circuit. Stick around until the end of this video, because I'm going to share the extra inch method. I will show you a simple daily shift that forces the universe to create a vacuum in your life, one that must be filled with unexpected financial rewards and open doors. The law of compensation states that you are always rewarded in direct proportion to the value you provide, your ability to do it, and the number of people you impact. Think of it as the marketplace mirror of the universe. You can never truly be undercompensated or overcompensated in the long run. You will always receive the exact echo of what you broadcast. In our modern world, we are conditioned to ask, what do I get out of this first? But energy doesn't work backward. Compensation is the effect, not the cause. If you want to increase the money in your bank account or the love in your relationships, you have to focus entirely on increasing your contribution. When you shift from a scarcity mindset, asking what you can take, to a quantum mindset, focusing on what you can pour out, the universe has no choice but to balance the scales by pouring back into you. Let's ground this into everyday reality so you can see exactly where your energetic leaks are happening. Think about someone who goes to work and does the absolute bare minimum just to not get fired. They are matching their energy precisely to their current paycheck. But according to the law of compensation, to get a promotion or a new opportunity, you have to outgrow your current container first. You have to provide the value of the next level before the financial reward shows up to match it. Imagine going to your local coffee shop. One barista hands you your cup without making eye contact. Another barista looks you in the eye, gives you a genuine smile, and wishes you an incredible day. That second barista has just put out 10% more value than what was strictly paid for. They are creating an energetic surplus. Even if you don't tip them right then, the universe notes that surplus, and that energy will return to them through a completely different channel. And finally, for my entrepreneurs and creators out there, when you create a product, service, or video with the sole intention of truly transforming someone's day, you are tapping into a massive network of impact. Because of the law of divine oneness, by elevating their experience, you are elevating the collective field. That value expands, and by the law of cause and effect, it must return to you, amplified. So, how do we activate this abundance vacuum in our lives today? We use a strategy designed to disrupt the transaction mindset. We call this the extra inch method. To increase your compensation in money, love, or opportunities, you must consciously increase your contribution. Stop waiting for life to give it to you before you give to it. Step out onto the court willing to over-deliver, knowing that the universe is a flawless accountant. Your action item for today is simple. In every single interaction you have, whether it's a high-paying client, an email to a coworker, or a brief conversation with a cashier, provide 10% more value than is expected. Give a deeper level of listening, a faster turnaround time on a project, or a word of genuine encouragement. This creates an instant energetic vacuum that the universe is mathematically required to fill with a reward. When you live by the law of compensation, you stop worrying about where your next blessing is coming from. You realize that your only job is to stay in the frequency of contribution, trust the system, and let the universe handle the payout. In our next video, we will tackle the law of relativity, where I'm going to show you the ultimate perspective pivot to instantly cure burnout and stop you from comparing your day 1 to someone else's day 100. If you're ready to open the floodgates of abundance, make sure you're subscribed to Her Quantum Reality. Comment "compensated" below to claim your infinite value today. I'll see you next time.